best supplier for Shopify dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you some of the best suppliers for dropshipping. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. First things first, the first dropshipper I want to tell you is CJ Dropshipping. Now this is one of the best suppliers out there, and it's one of the hands down one of the best ones. And the reason for that is their shipping rates. So over here, as you can see, they provide 3 to 7 day shipping, 5 to 15 days, 8 to 12 days, or 8 to 12 days from these different shippers that you can see over here. So all the way up to 2 months drop shipping as well. So you can choose whichever one of these shipping methods and you can save up to different times. And they provide worldwide shipping as well. So you can see you have all the countries in the world. So you can go ahead and ship to wherever you want. Even in my country, they can provide up to 3 to 7 day shipping, which is amazing. So one of the reasons why that is because usually if you are trying to drop ship, what you will do is you will go over to AliExpress and you will make an account over there. So for example, if I come over to AliExpress, right? So over here, I'm on AliExpress, and over here, if you wanted to, go ahead and ship a product. For example, let's take some of these trousers real quick, right? Now, if I wanted to, go ahead and import this trouser into my country, then over here, almost a month, all right, estimated delivery time is going to be 41 days, which is a long time. Now, if I were to go ahead and come over to CJ, as you can see over here, we have less drop shipping time. So if I wanted to, let's say, find a product, all I would have to do would be to just go ahead and add the AliExpress link, right? So if this is the product, I'll just simply copy that product's URL and come over here onto CJ Dropshipping, and I'll just paste the URL and see if they have this product. I mean, they probably will, but I'm just going to go ahead and see if they do. You can even upload the images as well, so they can then find that product for you as well. So over here, it's loading up, and they couldn't find that product, but maybe we can find it over here. We'll just say men's tactical breathable. Maybe if we just simply search for this title, maybe we can find something over here, something along the lines of that product, right? Let's go ahead and see. So over here, as you can see, we have some options, but not that one. So maybe if we were to go back over here, men's clothing. Okay, so over here, as you can see, we have some other trousers as well. We have some camouflage pants, some tactical, some other ones that work perfectly fine. All right, so this is what I was talking about. So for example, let's take these pants right here, or maybe these, because these look similar, tactical. And let's see the shipping days over here. How much days does it take us to ship? All right, so over here it will take 1 to 4 day processing time. All right, and the shipping fee is going to be $1 to $2. All right, and then we have the SKU number and all of that, and we want to ship to, let's say, maybe India, and over here we can choose the day as well. So we have different days. We have 8 to 25 days or 20 to 60. So this one is more perfect, all right, as well, because it's gonna ship earlier. So as you can see over here, we can ship it to earlier instead of just going with the 41 days over here. And on CJ dropshipping, we can go with a less dropshipping time. So maybe if we were to just simply go into men's clothing and find some better options. All right, this is over here. Let's see, it's loading up real quick, so let's let it load up. All right, so it's loaded up. All right, so let's take this one right here. If we wanted this product, this streetwear shirt, let's see how long does this take. All right, so over here it says the processing day is going to be 1 to 10 days. And if we want to ship it to United States, then of course we have a bunch of different dates. Over here, as you can see, we can even sell it to 4 to 12 days, 6 to 10 days, all right, 8 to 16, and 18, as you can see, 10 to 18. So one of the best ones, I think, is this one right here, the 6 to 10 days. So the total shipping cost is going to be $19. All right, fee is going to be this, and the shipping fee is going to be this, right? Service fee. So if we choose this, so then our total inventory, the total amount is going to be over here, as you can see, the $5 product, all right, 5, and then the shipping is going to be 16, and then the service is going to be 10. So almost $20 to $22, I would say, maybe 23, which is still perfectly fine. If we want to make like a couple of dollars extra on the order, so which I think is perfectly fine. And we can even sell it onto eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopify, or BigCommerce, Wix, wherever we want to sell it to. We can go ahead and sell it instead of 41 days. So maybe if we were to get the image, all right, maybe if we wanted to download the image right here, let's go ahead and download the image. So open it up over here. Let me see, this is it. Let me see, what do we have inside over here? We have the images. Good. So let me just make a new folder over here. I'll just simply drag the images over here, export them. If I wanted to find this image on AliExpress, let's go ahead and find it. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and maybe we can find it as well. For that, we want to come over to Deezer. All right, this is one of the best drop shippers if you are drop shipping from AliExpress, right? So let's say this is it. We want to find some products right here. Let's take just this one, right? We'll just upload some of the image. All right, we'll just drag that image over here. We'll upload it and click on OK. Now it's going to find the product on AliExpress. Okay, so it's found the product on AliExpress. Let's just copy the link and open it up over here. So over here, if we were to ship it, all right, we want to ship it to, let's say, United States or India, as I said before. Then it's going to say this product cannot be shipped. Okay, let's just switch it to United States then. All right, so over here, as you can see, the shipping date, it says up to 16th June, which is like in 20 to 25 days, I believe. Yeah, 25 days. And over here, it's way too long. Whereas over here, all right, on CJ, it's saying that it's going to take up to 6 to 10 days if you want that. You can even choose 4 to 12 days, all right? Maybe even a less expensive one, which is 10 to 14 days, which is still better than the 25-30 days that it's giving me on AliExpress. So as you can see, this is one of the reasons why CJ dropshipping is so amazing, is that it gives you the exact same products that you can find on AliExpress, and it ships them faster than AliExpress as well. So, and you can, as I said before, you can connect it to your Shopify store and you can just easily sell the products and drop ship them over there because of the most convenient shipping days that you can find. Now, the second website that I find pretty amazing is called Sourceinbox. Now, Sourceinbox, just like CJ dropshipping, it also provides you one of the best ones out there, one of the best customer services, and one of the best shipping rates out there as well, and the shipping time as well. So let's just go ahead and sign up and I'll show you. All right, so now the sign up process is successful. Now it's just simply going to sign us in and we are good to go. All right, so this is the dashboard right here, and over here we can find different buyers, right? So right now we are in the drop shipping mode, and then we have the wholesaler mode. This is one of the best things, right? This is a good option. So for example, if you wanted to sell wholesalers, then you can go ahead and buy in bulk and send, which is going to be cheaper, and then you can sell it online for a cheaper price. But as you can see over here, the shipping days, they also provide similar shipping days. So over here, as you can see, 7 to 14, 7 to 15, 5 to 10 days over here. We have 6 to 12 days. Anything below 10, I would say. Over here, let me just see. No, the lowest day that they have is 5 to 10 days, all right, which is going to cost you $30 to ship, all right. But the standard shipping on Amazon is 4 to 5 days as well, which is the standard one. And over here, it's 5 to 10 days. But as I said before, if we, let's say, how long does it take from AliExpress, right? Generally takes us 15 to 45 days, working days, all right, from 7 to 15 working days in my country as well. So that's just their standard shipping. So over here in Sourceinbox, the lowest day that you can find is 5 to 10 days, 7 to 14 days, and 7 to 15 days as well. This one I think is pretty amazing because a day more and it gives you a really good discount up to, let's say, $11, which I think is pretty cool. So you can go with that. And as I said before, you can find different products over here as well. So, which I think is pretty amazing. So over here, let's go to sourcing. All right. Or maybe even the marketplace. All right. Let's go to manage products and go into marketplace. And over here, we can find different products from AliExpress. Right. So over here, we can import products from AliExpress products over here. So if we click over that, we can join the dropshipping program before connecting to Source Inbox. Successful. We can go ahead and join that. And then we can import different products from AliExpress over here. We can sell them faster as well. So this product right here, for example, I've seen this on AliExpress. If we were to sell this product from Source Inbox, it's going to take us over here from 10 to 20 days from over here, the United States. All right, we can see what type of shippings we want. If we want it cheaper, we wanted to sell it for, let's say, 5 to 10 days DHL. It's going to cost us 30. But as I said before, this one over here is much better, and it's going to cost us 7 to 15 days, and it's going to cost us, let's say, $13, which I think is pretty amazing. Or this one as well. This one is much better. 8 to 16 days, 1 day more, and it's going to cost us $6. So this one is much better. So we choose this one, and then you can choose where you want to sell, all right, where you wanted your products to be shipped, and you can go with that. So, which I think is pretty amazing. So these were the two, amazing drop shipping programs that I have found, the suppliers that I've found online that provides you with the best options in shit regarding to shipping. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.